In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Calendar background. If you want to make Google Calendar easier on the eyes, especially in low light or during long work sessions, switching the background to dark mode is a quick and simple option. This changes the overall interface appearance and can help reduce glare while giving your calendar a cleaner, more modern look. To get started, open Google Calendar in your browser and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click that icon to open the available options. From the menu that appears, select Appearance. This is where Google Calendar lets you control how the interface looks. If you've never changed this before, you may currently be using the default light theme, which has a bright background and darker text. Inside the Appearance section, look for the theme options and choose Dark. Once you select it, click Done. To apply the change, your Google Calendar interface will then switch to a darker background. That's all it takes. The change should happen right away, and you'll immediately notice the difference across the calendar interface. The darker theme can be especially useful if you spend a lot of time checking schedules, managing events, or working late in the evening. If the update doesn't appear instantly, give the page a moment to refresh visually, or click away from the menu and check the calendar again. In most cases, the setting applies right after you confirm it. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that this changes the interface background of Google Calendar itself, not the individual colors of your calendar events. So if your events still appear in their usual colors, that's completely normal. The main change here is the overall background and visual theme of the app. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same settings menu, open Appearance again, and choose a different theme. That makes it easy to test which view feels most comfortable for you. And that's how to change the Google Calendar background. It's a very small adjustment, but it can make your calendar much more pleasant to use on a daily basis, especially if you prefer a darker workspace.